I've walked on this bridge for years without realizing what was underneath. 115 feet down is an ancient forest that time completely forgot. Introducing the 3 challenges. Welcome to Ravenna Park. If you want to take incredible landscape photos without leaving city limits, you need to know about this place. But shooting here can be tricky because it gets dark underneath all of these trees. So today I'm giving you 3 specific photo challenges to master this location. Let's get started. Challenge number 1. The scale shot. When you're in a ravine this deep, you need to show the viewer how small we are compared to the massive trees and bridges. The mistake beginners make here is shooting everything at eye level. That flattens the image. Instead, get low, really low. Look for strong lines. I'm using this massive bridge support as my leading line. It draws the eye upwards and emphasizes the height. By shooting upwards, we turn a picture of a bridge into a story about how nature is reclaiming this space. Challenge number 2, the Silky water shot. Challenge number 2 involves Ravenna Creek. We're gonna get that professional silky water look. To do this, you need a tripod. Handheld won't cut it. Make sure that you're in shutter priority mode on your camera and to slow our shutter speed down to about 2 seconds. Don't stand by the bank. What I really want you to do is to get real low, close to the water. That way when you're looking through your frame, you can keep the objects in the foreground as sharp anchors against the flowing water. See how the water turns into motion? That contrast between the moving water and the static rocks is what makes this image pop. If you found this guide to be helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more photography tips. Challenge number 3, the isolation shot. Forests are messy. There are sticks and leaves everywhere. If you try to capture it all, your photo will look cluttered. You want to switch to a wide aperture lens. You want to f-stop a 2.8 or f1.2 if you have it. Pick one subject. Just one small leaf or an interesting branch will be the focus point of your photo. By blurring out the background by using a wide aperture, we remove the chaos. We're telling the viewer exactly where to look. Simple, clean, and very Pacific Northwest. Ravenna Park is truly a hidden gem. Whether you're practicing scale, long exposure, or depth of field, this place has it all. It is the perfect place to practice these 3 skills without leaving the city. If you tried these challenges, let me know. I'd love to see your shots. If you just captured your photos and need a little bit help editing, I have a Lightroom tutorial playlist for you to watch next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.